So hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to develop.ai. So guys, in this video, we're going to solve, create, and manage Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL instances challenge lab, guys. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to please like and subscribe to the channel for more such content, guys. So guys, I am hitting views but not a subscribers. So please do like and subscribe to the channel. It will be more motivated to solve solution based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So guys, in this video, and everyone is striving to get solution based on this lab, guys. So you're not getting the solution if you find the solution also, but and at the end of this lab you're not going to get and check my progress properly. So here a one step solution that I'm going to teach you, and I'll be guided you in this lab. So please do watch this video very carefully so that and focus on this lab and pause this video and then start to apply in this apply in your lab, okay? So then only you could complete this lab very easily. So that please do watch very focused as well as and with concentration, so that it will be very useful to solve the solution, and I'll be guiding you in a step by step guided, okay? So let me move to this lab, guys. Click on the start the lab here. So just focus this lab very easy, and it will be and it is also easy that too. So just copy a password and then open a console in Ignite mode here. So click on next here. So paste here your password and click on next here. So click on I understand here. So now guys, just come back to your lab, guys. So guys, I'll be put a link in description, so get access of that link, guys. So just come back here. So we need to enable here API GC. So just copy this database migration API here. Just copy this name here and just come back to your lab and click on agree and continue here. So after that, the another thing is that some lab instances must be take a few times to load more time. So please have a patience. Don't exit as soon as if you get bored here. So please do have a patience until it lab get execute and until it loads, okay? So just remove this and paste it here and click on wait for a second. So you'll get a database migration. Click on this. So and another dashboard will be opened here, not this. Wait a minute. So click on this here. So click on this API, okay? So after enabling this, just come back, open the new tab here. So just come back to our lab and copy the service networking API here. Just copy this and just come back here, and now just come back and search for this service networking API and click on this. And now again right click on this and open the link in new tab here. So after this, just we need to enable this boat API here, okay? So just click on this enable, and even this also to be enabled here. So after enabling this board, so just come back here and search for click on this navigation menu and compute engine. Under this compute engine, click on VM instances. Click on this. So make sure that your APIs are enabled. So before that, okay, you can see our both APIs has been enabled here. So just come back here to your VM instances. So just remove this, and then you can see this PostgreSQL VM has been already created here. So click on this SSH button here. So after creating this SSH button here, so just come back here and just copy this first command here. So please do watch this video very carefully, guys. So just copy this and just come back here and click on authorize here. So wait for a second to load. So after that, we need to just paste it here, which we have been copied here. So paste it here and click on enter. So after that, just come back here and copy the second command here and just come back to a lab and paste it here and click on enter here. So just come back here and copy the third command here and just come back here and paste it here and click on enter here. So after that, just come back here. So after PSQL, so just paste it here and click on enter here. So after that, just come back here. So copy the another command here. So just paste it here and click on enter. So just copy here another command, create extension p logic. So paste it here and click on enter. So after that, just come back here and then just copy the c orders here. So paste it here and click on enter here. So just come back here and copy this create extension p logical. Just come back here and paste it here and click on enter here. So guys, we have been completed here. So just come back here. So after that, we need to enable here, and another step to be focused here. So please watch this very video very carefully. Just come back here and open a new tab here. Just come back here and just copy this link here and just come back and paste it here and click on enter here. So you will get an restrictions here. So click on continue to the site here. So click on this advanced option here. After that, click on to proceed with our site here. Just come back here and come back to a GitHub here and just copy the another online notepad, okay? Just come back here and open a new tab here and paste it here and click on enter here. So after opening this node tab, click on shift enter with 3 to 4 times. So after that it will be enabled. So just come back here, click on this close here. So just come back here, and now we need to create an user migration admin here. So we need to copy this everything. Okay, just copy this and just come back here and paste it here. So after that, just copy the name migration admin here. Okay, just copy without any full stop or a space here. Okay, just copy this and paste it here in the fine text here. So to replace with, what will be done is that just come back to a lab, guys. So click on task number one. So below task number one, you can see this migration username here. So import admin is the name. So just copy your admin name. It will be unique to everyone. So please do copy that your import admin. Just copy that and paste it here. And now done, it is done here. So now it has been created in different code here. Okay, so just what to be done is just select all this. So just copy this and come back to a notepad and paste it here. So after pasting this, so just make sure that just copy this three lines of this code. Just copy this, watch this video very carefully. Just copy these 3 lines without any full stop or a gap. Okay, just copy the exact code here, create to replication. Just copy this, just come back to your ssh command terminal and paste it here and click on enter. So after that, just minimize this and copy these C orders. Okay, just copy this single command here. Just copy this and just come back to your SSH terminal and paste it here and click on enter here. So now it is showing that you are now connected to database orders as user Postgres. So just come back here, minimize that, and then just copy these 2 lines of code here. Just copy this and just come back to the terminal and paste it here and click on enter here. So after entering, you can see one ID has been entered here in one row. So just come back here and now and this copy this entire grant here. Okay, just copy this until the last one. Where to stop, I am going to show here. So just stop until the import admin. Okay, just start from this grant usage on schema to import admin. Okay, just copy this which you have been selected one and just come back to a terminal and paste it here and click on enter. So you can see all the grant has been like this, it has been enabled. It must look like this. Okay, just come back here and another step is that, so just copy the single command of this postgres. So just copy this and just come back to a terminal and paste it here and click on enter here. So after that, just come back here. Wait for a second. Just copy the another. Okay, just copy the another until the last one. Just copy this and now just come back to a terminal and paste here and click on enter. And finally, guys, you can see all the step has been done here at the order wise. So please do focus and with concentration. So just minimize this and then just come back here and now search for here, remove this after enable, search for database migration here. Okay, so you can see this, select this first one here, select this one, just come back here. So after selecting this, so create a migration job here, click on this create a migration job here. So job name, so you can give any name as you wish. So I'm giving dev labs here, dev labs. So after that, source database engine, select this PostgreSQL. Okay, select this PostgreSQL here. After that, select Cloud SQL to PostgreSQL here. So after that, make sure that our region, destination region, just come back to a lab and we make a ensure that. Okay, so just come below here and you can see US East one is our destination region here. US, you must select a US East one here. So select this US East one here. Where is the US East one? Yeah, select this one and migration job type must be continuous. So just click on this and click on this once again and click on save and continue, and it may take for few times, guys. So wait a bit in a patience and then let me move to the next step here. So after the next step, at the second step, select this and click on this create a connection profile. Select this and then the profile name. So in this profile name, what to be done is that you have been given a name here. Okay, id before that, as you wish your name. Okay, I have been said as you wish name. So I have been given dev labs here. So I am giving the same name here. And then after this, our region is an US East one. Okay, US East one. So now click on this. We need to define here. Define connection configuration. Select this define here. So after the host name IP address, just come back to a VM instances and copy this external IP address. After copying this, just paste it here. So our port must be exact what it is as it is. So now username, just come back to our lab and now what will be done, just copy the username here. Okay, So just copy the username here. So what is the username? Okay. Just copy the import admin as a username here. Just copy this and then paste it here, and password. So just come back here for this password DMS1S cool until this exclamatory mark. So just copy this and then just paste it here, and now nothing to be changed. Click on the save. So after saving, click on create. So after creating this, so it may take few minutes, guys. So wait with in a patience, guys. So click on after this creating this. Now click on save and continue. So wait for a second. So after creating, it will move towards the third step here. So in the third step, so now it must be a new instance, type must be new instance. So now destination id, so we need to select a destination id here. So remove this devel apps here and just come back to our lab, and then come below here and you can see destination instance id here. So just copy this postgres, just go to your lab and just copy that. Okay, just copy this and just come back here and paste it here. So after the password, it is asking for a password, so the password must be super secret exclamatory mark. So just copy without a dot or an space here. So paste it here and make sure it is visible. Yeah, it is correct in the form. So after that, the database version. So just come back here. The database version is given Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL 13. So just come back here and please do select for 13, number 13. So after selecting, click on this enterprises mode. So after clicking this enterprises mode here, so come below here. So you must select the both. Okay, private IP as well as public IP. So please do select this both one, and after that click on this allocate and connect. So it may take few times, it may take 5 minutes for this setting of allocating this IP range. So before that we can do another task here. So come back here. So here this machine shapes. Okay, so it is asking for CPU. So our CPU here only most of them is getting missed here. Okay, so everyone is following the another step who have been done here. So you must be careful that your lab has been given a certain instructions to be selected. So then only you will get a green tick when you completed certain task here. Okay, so what to be done is that you can see here 2 CPU and 8 GB memory. So just come back here, 2 CVP CPU and 8 GB memory, and SSD must be selected as a default, and storage capacity is as well as it is in default. So if in case the storage capacity is given like 10 GB, 20 GB, 100 GB, 20, like that, so please do select as a 10 GB file. Okay, so as an option, so it is already in a default mode. I could not change anything. So until then we could wait for until this allocating this IP address. So we after this, let me move to next step. What to be done here? Okay. So guys, you can see this after 10 minutes, our third step has been completed here. So the next step is task number 4. So now click on this configure and continue. After selecting this VPC peering as well as the as a default, so click on this configure and continue. So after the next step is that. So wait for 2 seconds again. So now it must be in all database. Okay, click on save and continue here. So now we need to test a job here. Wait for a second here until it loads here. So now click on test the job. So if you get an error, in case of error, so just come back to our lab and then please do end this lab. So you need to start from the first. Okay, if you get any error here, so if you get a green tick and a check mark here, so let me move on next step here. Okay, so you can see this our step has been successfully done in the right way. So that please do watch this video very carefully so that you could also get a green tick same as I got here. So click on this create and start the job. So click on create and start the job. So after clicking this create and start the job, and next an important procedure and very focused procedure to be done here. So wait for a second here until it must create a job here. So the job was started successfully, you can see here. So after that, you can see here it is starting under the continuous procedure here. So wait for a second here. So refresh once again here. So now guys, you can see this another step. What will be done is that, so after you are getting this running or else and a green check mark here. So you must click on this promote without forgetting this, then only you get a green tick without any issue here. Okay, so after the status must be green tick. Okay, so then, so now let me move to another procedure here. Okay, so just come back here. So now remove this service in the service networking API here and select for SQL here. So click on this SQL manage SQL PostgreSQL here. So an interface will be displayed like this. Okay, so you can see guys here Postgres 32 and what we have been created ID there. So you can see this, now this master you must select this one without master one. Okay, so wait, it is under running only, you must get a green tick here also. So and another an important step will be followed here also. So until then we must wait for a second or 10 to 15 minutes until we get a green tick here. Okay, so let me wait for a second here. So now guys, you can see here it is the status is under running. So after this green checking green check, so you can see this promote option here. So it will be turned into a blue icon here. So click on the promote and give it access. Okay, so before that just come back here and just refresh this page here. So as if you can see here, you got a here green tick here now. So click on this without, please do select without master one. Okay, the second option. So the procedures and etc id. Okay, so now what to be done is that, so just come back to click on this connections here. So click on got it here. So click on this networking here. So after clicking this networking here, so click on this in public IP. So click on this add a network here. So the network name must be, what to be done is that just come back here and come below here. So just copy, what to be done is that uh yeah, just come back here and just copy this Postgres VM here. Just copy this and paste it here. And for this network IP address, just come back to VM instance here and just copy this external IP here. After copying this, just paste it here and now click on done here. So after clicking done here, so now click on save here. So after saving this, the another procedure is that click on this users here. So under users, it is under running. Okay, you must get a green check mark here. So until and wait a second and let me click on this another add a user account here. Another procedure to be done here. So wait for a second here. So you can see this under edited. So now you got a green check. Okay, so you can see at the last here. So now click on this add a user account here. So now click on Cloud IAM. So principal. So just come back here. So just copy this name here. Okay, student the id here. Okay, just copy the name here, just copy this and just come back here and paste it here. So click on this add here. So what to be done is that, so at the task number 3, at the point number 2, please do select the student id here. Okay, just copy this until without any full stop or a gap, please do select this all and then please do add in a cloud IAM add a principal here. So after pasting that, please do select the add and then our editor has been done here. So now we have been done here. So now after this everything, we need a backup here. Okay, we need to create a backup here. So what to be done is just refresh this page once again. So and another you can see this backup has been displayed here. Where is the backup here? Now click on this overview once again here. So under this overview here, you can see click on refresh once again here. Okay, and our backup has been not yet created here until, so because we need to run. So you can see a promote here. Okay, so just click on this promote here and click on this promote here. So after promoting this, so disconnecting this source from the destination, remove this and just come back here. So just refresh once again here and backup will be started here. So you can see and a backup is added when you, after this running is under the stage, and if you click on this promote and just come back here and then just refresh the page and a backup will be added. Click on this backups here. So under this backup, what to be done is, so you must get a green tick here. Okay, until the green tick we need to edit here. So after adding the edit and after enabling it, so we need to continue further. So let me have a patience and let me wait for it. So now guys, you can see here post gear 32, and we got a near a green tick here. So click on this edit here. So now click on this enable point on time recovery and just come back to our lab, and please do watch this video very carefully that. So here it has been given a time frame here, okay. The time frame must be under, so come below at the task number 4. So in the task number 4 you can see this enable point time in recovery, it is 5. So please do go back to your lab and look for at task number 4 at the point, first point or point number 2, first point and point number 2. So you can see it is 5. Some people will be getting 2, 3 or 7 like that. So just come back here. So mine is a 5. I am entering the 5 here. Select this and just add 5 here and click on save here. So after saving, again it start to run here. So wait for a second and just refresh once again here. So after refreshing, you can see enabled and 5. These two rows and columns will be added here. Okay. So make sure that after entering that, click on this edit and then just enable that the time frame, and then give a number which you have, which you the lab has been given at your lab. So enter that number and click on save, and then after that refresh once again, and two rows will be added, enabled and 5, and wait for a few minutes for loading and until you get a green check here, okay. And another procedure will be followed. Please do watch this video very carefully. So now guys, our backup has been created here. You can see here one backup has been created after enabling and after adding this number 5 as in our lab, cloud lab. So as instructed, so we got a green tick here. So now guys, an important step to be followed here. So please watch this video very carefully. So click on this overview here. So the overview must be have a green tick here. So please make sure it must be in green tick, green check. So come below here and click on this open CloudStar terminal. So after opening the CloudStar terminal in your lab, so now give it authorization. So now after opening, click on this enter. So the first command will be as it is, as a default it will come. So wait for 5 minutes here and a procedure to be done here, okay. So guys, after running this after 5 minutes, you can see a password to be entered. So just come back to a GitHub repo and just copy the secret, super secret password here. Just come back here and paste it here, and it may be not visible to you, but also please paste it here and click on enter. So after entering this, you can see this type of output will be generated. So after that, just copy the C orders here. Just copy this another command here and paste it here and click on enter. So it is asking for a password. Just come back here, copy this another password again once again. So paste it here and click on enter here. So after that, just copy, come back here. So now grant all privileges table. Just copy this code here. Just come back to your notepad here and select all and remove this all and shift enter here, and now paste it here the command here. So what will be done is just remove the table name here, table name as well as username. So remove this all. So for table name, just come back to our lab, guys. So at lab, at point number 4, at task number 3, at the point number 4, copy the student ID here. Okay, just copy this and just come back to your this and paste it here. And now the username. So the username must be, just come back here to a lab and just copy the users here. Table must be, just copy this. I think I've been done wrong. I think user account name as well as table name. Yeah. So we need to shift here. Okay. Just what to be done is that just copy this once again here. Just copy this and paste it here. Remove this and paste it here. Just refresh once again if the notepad has been giving you a glitch here. So paste it here and now remove this. The table name must be user. Okay. So I have been done a mistake here. So just copy the user's table name. So paste it here and now select this all. Now select this both, copy this and now come back to our terminal of your Cloud SQL and PostgreSQL of this terminal and paste it here and click on enter here. So you can see it has been given a grant here. So it must give a grant here. So after the next procedure is just come back to a GitHub repo and then just copy the date and RFC. So just copy this and now do one thing, execute here only. So click on enter here. So just copy this everything date and the time and just come back to a notepad, remove this and then paste it here and wait for come back to our this. And now what to be done is just come back here and now just remove this. So remove, after remove again open a closer terminal. So after opening the another same procedure to be done here, just copy the another, just copy this super secret password here, just come back here. So please enter this, the code will be done given in as a default. So wait for a 5 minutes here. So now guys, after waiting 5 minutes here, so please paste your password here and click on enter. Your password will be not visible to you, but also it will be entered into our system. So after it is asking for an next procedure. So just come back here. So after that, what to be done here is that just copy the C orders here. Okay, just copy this. Just come back here and paste it here and click on enter. So it is asking once again the password. Okay, so just copy this super secret password here and then paste it here and click on enter. So just come back here, another procedure, just copy this code here. Okay, so just copy this code and just come back here and paste it here and now click on enter here. So it has been inserted here. Okay, so now just come back here, now copy the another command here, just copy this and now just paste it here and click on enter. So you will and interface will be displayed like this. Click on this big what is the URL and another in another uh, tab will be open. So click on the student current ID what you have been given. So click on continue here. Now click on this allow here. So now just copy this and just come back to our terminal and paste it here and now click on enter here. So after entering guys, just come back here. So the student ID here, it is asking for export instance ID. Just copy this and paste it here and just come back to our lab and at the at the ND lab below that you can see this migrated cloud SQL for PostgreSQL instance ID. Just copy this name here. Just come back to our lab and paste this name in your terminal. After click on enter. So now just come back to our lab and the next last procedure is just copy this command here and paste it here and click on enter. So wait at least you'll get an error here. Okay. So if you get an error, so what to be done is that just copy this once again here and just come back your notepad here. So now click on enter here. So paste it here. So remove this timestamp. Okay, timestamp name only. The inverted commas must be as it is. Just copy this timestamp here without any space here, and the inverted commas must be there. So paste it here. So refresh once again here. So if it is not pasting, so paste it here. So you can see that it has been given here timestamp. So please select this all the code here. Don't select this timestamp here. Just copy this code here, and now just come back to our terminal. Remove this, and now just paste it here and click on enter here. So guys, now it may take 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So if you get an error, so I'll say what to be done. So after that, at the last, if you get an error and in inverted commas, DC cloud, etc., and a code will be generated. So just without any that inverted commas, just copy the as it is name and just re-enter that value and just finish your lab. So it will start to be executing. At least it might take 10 to 15 minutes time here. So wait for a few minutes, guys. So I'll show you step what to be done here. So guys, let me look once again here. Click on check my progress. So it will take a very time lagging. So let me complete as soon as if the terminal takes more time. So let me try once again here and click on check my progress. Doesn't match the timestamp recovery. Just refresh once again here. So now guys, you got a green tick here. We can see that we got a green tick here. So just come back here. So it is under running only. It is a running condition, but also we got a green tick. So nothing to worry. So if in case that if you get an error like this, you can see this type of error here. So here you can see this type of inverted commas of a quick lab something. The name ID will be generated. So just copy this type of this name. Okay, until last one. Don't copy the inverted commas. Just copy this like this and just enter once again here and click on enter, and then it will start to execute here. So after that, just come back here. It has we have we gotten we didn't get any error here. So just let me move back and click on check my progress here also, and you will get a green tick without any issue here also. So guys, the thing is that you must watch this video very carefully, guys. That's it. So click on check my progress here also at task number 2. So you got a green tick. And click on check my progress here also. So you got a green tick here also. Click on check my progress. So you got a green tick here also at task number 1. So guys, you can see here, finally we have been done with all my check my progress. So please don't miss this video at any cost. Please do watch completely. Don't ignore this. The step will be bit confused and a bit tricky also. So please do watch this very carefully. Pause the video and then start to apply. So then only you could complete this step as what we get without any error here. Okay, just come back here. You can see it is under still running only. So please do watch this video very carefully and apply it in your lab. So let us end this app. So before ending this app, please do like and subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please comment below and thanks or something and gratitude towards me, or else and don't forget to subscribe. It is more crucial step, guys. So it is very important. Please do like and subscribe the channel for more such content, guys. So to meet on next video, guys. Thank you.